Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the art of landscaping and transforming hillside yards into stunning outdoor spaces. Join us as we share creative ideas, practical tips and step-by-step guides to create breathtaking landscapes that harmonize with the natural beauty of your hillside property. Discover how to utilize terracing, plant section, hardscaping, and more to craft a dreamy oasis that blends seamlessly with the rolling hills. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of hillside landscaping with our YouTube channel dedicated to turning your house on the hills into a captivating masterpiece. Our videos are your ultimate guide showcasing innovative design concepts, sustainable gardening practices, and transformative dye projects tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities of sloped landscape. Whether you are a serene water elements, we are here to inspire and empower you every step of the way. Join our community of landscape enthusiasts and embark on a captivating journey of elevation and elegance. Our videos are your gateway to a world of lush greenery, cascading blooms, and functional outdoor spaces. Subscribe now to embark